You have someone that you want to chat with and don't want to add them to your contacts? Well, here is how you can do this. The only thing you have to do is go to this link. By copying the link in the descriptions and paste it into the browser. Then type the phone number you want to chat with. Make sure to type the number correctly and then click on Enter. If you have downloaded the WhatsApp app, then open it. If you didn't, you can either download the app or use WhatsApp Web. That's it. Now you can chat with anyone you want without saving their number into your contacts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.